Hey guys, at Motion RC there, Martin, I think I just spoke to you. Skip here in Johnsburg, Illinois, McHenry. Freewing F-15, Fighting Eagle, or Eagle, whatever. Anyhow, as per our conversation, here's the nose cone, and you can see it's actually missing paint there, and it's cracked on this side. It doesn't fit real well, and the magnets are quite off. I've done a lot of touching up to schmoozing a little bit. Actually, I made the magnets fit better, and the canopy was off, way off when I first got it, and there were gouges and stuff in here. I've kind of made the sin here go away a little bit. I can touch this up a little bit. That'll be fine. Back here, the canopy was messed up. It was gouged in. They actually touched it up with paint at the factory, and it was terrible. But I got in there with a pin from inside and was able to push it up and out and put a little filler in behind it with some foam tack glue. Let it set up. It worked out pretty nice. Let's see. The other issue, besides its nose cone being all goobered up and cracked on the one thing, not fitting right, is the servo for this flat back here. Everything else is nice and tight, but this one's got a lot of deflection, and when I looked at the actual servo itself, I thought maybe I'd just be able to tighten it up, but the whole thing is moving on the armature, so it's like it's missing a bearing or something. So if I could get that servo replaced, that'd be awesome. And the nose cone, I think this thing would be pretty tight. A little loose up here in the front, but take a look at what I did here with the lighting now. I put my own custom package deal in here. I kind of did well, I just used 3-strip SMD blues in the front on a little homemade wiring harness, and ran that back into there, and it looks pretty neat in the thrust tube, and the light coming out of the louvers looks really awesome. I'm going to do a video of this when this light is subdued a little bit better, because the lighting effect, the ground effects on this thing is just awesome. And then back here, I did something else with the thrust. I put the red SMD LEDs in here to simulate that with a pulsing red flasher, and so it kind of looks pretty cool there too. That again looks really awesome in the dark. Really awesome in the dark. Thinking about switching these two, having the white one strobe and the red one just stay on. That's as easy as going to the front there and changing that on the module. But other than that, real tight jet. I love it. It's everything else works. The retracts are just awesome. I love the suspension on this thing. I think it's going to be a real fun flyer. Air brake, everything else works good. I can't find anything else wrong with this jet, guys. You got it here in lickety-split time. Actually, you didn't get it here. I went and got this one because I live so close. But thanks again for carrying wonderful products and taking such good care of your customers. And that's why we take care of you guys too, because you take care of us. Thanks again. So nose cone and right wing flap servo. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks. Oh, forgot to show you one thing here. I'm going to fire this up. And then you're going to notice the lights when they come on here. Look at the canopy light in the pilot. In the dark, that's awesome too. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Thing's beeping at me. I gotta switch off somewhere here. Okay, now it's happy. All right, thanks again. Son of a bitch. I cannot believe that. That was a good catch. Well, I can't take the props off on these things, so I set the controller down, and it slid down and hit the throttle on me. Man, I'm glad I caught it. Everything else on my table took a hike. The jet works. I gotta post this one. Thanks for watching. The Freewing F-15 Eagle in motion, from motion, RC, in the kitchen, almost off the table. The crash test dummy strikes again.